Every day is a battle to keep your teeth clean and your mouth healthy, but it doesn't have to be so difficult. Here are home remedies to keep your oral cavity in terrific shape and help avoid dental disasters. Keep in mind, going to the dentist for regular cleanings and checkups is still required to attain your healthy smile. 1. Warm salt water. Salt water is useful in many ways for sore throat, insect bites, and mouth ulcers. But did you know that it can also be used as anti-gel mouthwash and soothe the inflammation of gums? Rinsing your mouth with salt water will effectively help you reduce gum inflammation. 2. Guava leaves. Guava leaves have long been used effectively for oral hygiene due to their antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. These properties have a positive effect on controlling plaque. Use of guava leaf in oral hygiene reduces gum inflammation, relieves pain, helps to freshen breath, keep teeth and gums strong, and quick short-term relief from toothache. 3. Turmeric gel application. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric gel is able to effectively prevent plaque and gingivitis. Turmeric is also antimicrobial and antifungal, due to which it can also help in healing bleeding and reddening of the gums. You can use turmeric gel as a treatment. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera tooth gel may help fight off bacteria that cause cavities. The antibacterial effect of this gel prevents the buildup of bacteria in the mouth. Aloe vera with tea tree oil as an effective cavity disinfectant with comparable results to traditional disinfectants. Aloe vera's antibacterial properties may help reduce dental cavities by reducing harmful bacteria in the mouth. 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant that can keep your gums healthy and your teeth strong. You can choose to take a vitamin C supplement once a day in a soluble form or get your vitamins naturally by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Ask your dentist to recommend the right dose for you. 6. Honey. Honey is also known to contain natural antibacterial properties that help eliminate bacteria which cause gum infection. Applying raw honey over the gums after brushing can have beneficial effects for those suffering from periodontal disease. 7. Coconut oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient method of cleansing the teeth and gums by swishing oil in the mouth. Coconut oil in particular has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Oil pulling is safe to practice and is best if done first thing in the morning. Be careful not to swallow it, as it contains the bacteria pulled from the tissue in your mouth. 8. Avoid sugary foods and drinks. Diet, especially the consumption of free sugars, is among the leading causes of cavities. Sugar mixes with bacteria in the mouth and forms an acid which wears down tooth enamel. The World Health Organization recommends people limit their intake of free sugars. Consuming free sugars before bedtime increases the risk of dental caries. 9. Give your tongue some attention. Your tongue, like your teeth and gums, can play host to a variety of bacteria if left unclean. To kick these bacteria to the curb, consider purchasing a tongue scraper or a toothbrush with a scraper on the back. This small accessory will help you remove bacteria and improve your breath. 10. Stop smoking. In addition to causing serious health concerns such as mouth and lung cancer, smoking can also cause tooth discoloration and bad breath. Smokers are more likely to have infected gums, weakened teeth, and a lower success rate of dental implant procedures. 11. Brush your teeth 3 times a day. Brushing your teeth after every meal will prevent food from becoming stuck between your teeth and gums and will ensure that your teeth are getting the proper cleaning. In addition to keeping your teeth bright, regular brushing can help prevent gum disease and bad breath. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to help us keep bringing you this everyday knowledge.